In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set ChatGPT color scheme to System default. We're going to keep this simple and clear. Start by opening ChatGPT. Once you're in, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click it. This opens a small menu with a few options that control how ChatGPT behaves for your account. From that menu, choose Settings. This will open a settings window or panel. Inside Settings, you'll land on the General section by default. If you're not already there, make sure you're on General so you can access the visual preferences we need. Within General, look for the Appearance option. This controls how ChatGPT looks, specifically whether it uses a light theme, a dark theme, or follows your device's settings. Next to Appearance, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click that drop-down to reveal the choices. Now, select System. Choosing System tells ChatGPT to match whatever your computer or device is set to. If your operating system is in dark mode, ChatGPT will switch to dark automatically. If your device is in light mode, ChatGPT will use light. And if your system changes throughout the day, for example using a scheduled dark mode at night, ChatGPT will follow along without you lifting a finger. That's it. Your appearance is now set to System. You should see the change apply immediately. If your device is already set to a specific mode, you'll notice ChatGPT mirror that look right away. If it doesn't appear to update instantly, give the page a quick refresh and you'll be good to go. A couple of quick tips to make the most of this setting. System is great if you want consistency across apps and don't want to switch themes manually. It can help with eye comfort too, especially if your device shifts to dark mode in the evening. And if you ever decide you want to lock ChatGPT to a single look, like always dark or always light, just come back to the same appearance drop-down and pick the option you prefer. One more note on privacy and safety. When you're recording or sharing your screen, avoid exposing any personal information in the interface, such as your account details. Sticking to the Settings panel is a safe way to demonstrate changes without revealing sensitive data. To recap in a sentence, open ChatGPT, click your icon at the bottom left. Go to Settings, under General find Appearance, open the drop-down, and select System. You're all set. Enjoy an interface that stays perfectly in sync with your device.